Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how you can change Ticketmaster phone number. So simply, without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Ticketmaster app or Ticketmaster website on a web browser. Once you open Ticketmaster, you will end up in this kind of interface if you are logging in into your website. Then all you need to do now is simply tap on the My Account section on the top right hand side of the corner, and then you need to go to the section called My Account. Once you tap on the My Account section on the scroll down bar, you will end up in this kind of interface, which is known as Account Review. So simply in the left hand side, you can find your phone number. Simply tap on Edit Phone Number. Once you do this, you will now be redirected to your account settings. Simply scroll down below where you can find your phone number option and hit the Update Number option. After doing this, you need to now type in the phone number you want to change your number into. So after typing in your phone number, you need to now tap on the next option. Once you are done, you will be now redirected to a next interface where you need to type in your one-time code that has been sent to your registered number right now. So after you have confirmed your code by typing in the one-time code, you need to tap on the confirm button. Once you do this, you will be successful in changing or updating your phone number in your Ticketmaster. I hope you found this video helpful. So thank you for watching, and we will be back again with more interesting videos.